Hello students, very good morning to all. So today we are going to study solving an equation. Okay. So in last class we have studied about equation, what is equation, how we form equation. Okay. And what are the parts of equation and how we can find out the solution of equation. But that is also solving of equation. But we have used the trial and error method to find solution of equation, or sometimes that some solution has been given and we have to find out if it is right or wrong. Okay. So today we'll see how there are some methods to find out the solution of an equation and we can prove it also. So let's see. So here it is given. First you see. So in equation we are using variable and a condition on a variable. Then there must be a variable and using operations we are using expression, making expression, and between two expression there will be an equal sign, equality sign. Okay. So always there will be LHS equal to RHS, means left hand side is equal to right hand side of an equation. Let's see. So here you are seeing 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. So you are knowing 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So if you are writing 8 minus 3 or writing 4 plus 5, both are equal. The equality, this is an equality. So holds since both sides are equal. Here LHS is equal to RHS because their value are same. Let's now add 3 to both sides. If we'll add 3 to both sides, what will happen? Let's see. So in LHS 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 plus 3 we have added. So what we'll do, we'll take plus means positive number at one side and negative number at one side. 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 3 equal to how much? 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, next to see right hand side RHS 4 plus 1 we have added 3. So for all are positive, that's why we'll add 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. So look at here, again LHS equal to RHS. So if you are adding same number to the equality, both side of equality, there also LHS equal to RHS. Again the equality holds, means its LHS and RHS are equal. Okay. So here again equality hold because LHS equal to RHS. Thus if we add the same number to the both side of equality, it still holds, means equality, again equality will come, means 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1, means we got 5 equal to 5, but when we added 3 and 3 in both side we got 8. So LHS equal to RHS. So this one we'll use in equation. In a balanced equation, if we add same number to the both side, the balance remain undisturbed. Okay. That is value of LHS remains equal to value of RHS. So what is balanced equation? When in an equation, in this equation, LHS equal to RHS. That's why that is balanced equation. If we are adding to the both side same number, then that value remains same, means that balance remain undisturbed. So let's see some example. So here example, one equation is taken, P minus 1 equal to 20. This is a balanced equation. What we'll do? Add 1 to both side of this equation. Okay. So if we're adding, what we will get? The new LHS is what? P minus 1. New LHS is plus 1. So equal to P minus 1 plus 1 is how much? 0. So P minus 0 or P plus 0. That is what? P. Okay. Next, RHS. New RHS is how much? 20 is given. 20 minus 1. 20 plus 1. We are adding 1 to the both side. Equal to 21. So, what we are getting? New LHS is P, new RHS is 21. So, this does not disturb the balance equation. Now, we have new LHS equal to new RHS. That is what? Or P equal to 21, which is this is the solution of equation 2. So, we have P minus 1 equal to 20. So, that solution is what? P equal to 21. Let's see. We can check it. How we will check it? We will put value of P here. Okay, in this equation. So, P minus 1, we put LHS equal to P minus 1 equal to P's value is how much? We got 21 minus 1 equal to 20. 20 is what? RHS. So, this new LHS is new solution, that is new LHS and new RHS got the, what we got? Through this we got the solution of an equation, because this is the solution of a equation because LHS equal to RHS. We are getting by putting the value of the P what we got. जो P रो value 21 हमें पाइलो ताको हम एठी पुट कला परे एठी हम कोन पाउछु LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so here what we have seen, when we have negative value, okay, means negative add कराइछि, means we have subtraction, then what we'll do, we'll add the same thing. एठी minus 1 कराइछि. If P minus 10 equal to 20 it is given, जदि P minus 10 equal to 20 दिया हितो ताल तमे कोन करियो, you can add P minus 10 plus 10 to the left side and 20 plus 10 to the right side. So what you will get? P equal to 20 plus 10 30, because minus 10 plus 10 will be cancelled. Okay, so P equal to 30, and this like this you can get the solution. So look at here, by adding, this one is what? By adding the same number to the both side of the balance equation, we'll get the value of the equation. Next we'll see next operation. So we have already confirmed about this. P equal to 21 is an, we had put the means this solution in this equation LHS equal to P minus 1, the same thing 21 minus 1 equal to how much? 20. So that is what? 20 is what? RHS. So this shows that, this shows this is the solution of an equation. Okay, so this is proving that this is P equal to 21 is the solution of equation, and by doing so, which is equal to RHS, by doing this what will write mathematical operation, that is adding 1 on the both side of the equation, we arrived at the solution of the equation. Okay, next we will see, let us now subtract 2 from both sides of the equality 1. As a result what we will get? So equality, what in equality 1 what we have? We have 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. Okay, 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1, that is equality 1. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 2. So 8 minus 3 minus 2. So how much it is? Minus 3 minus 2 is what? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. The same thing what we'll do? 4 plus 1 minus 2. This is right side. So 4 plus 5 is, 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2. How much you are getting? 3. So here you see LHS, what we got? LHS equal to RHS. So when we are subtracting same number to both sides of the equality, what we are getting? Again the equality holds because LHS equal to, again new LHS equal to new RHS. Okay. Thus, if we subtract the same number from the both sides of an equality, it still holds. Holds means equality aguru bhi thila, ebe bhi au thare equality rahibo. Okay. So, now this one, this subtracting same number to the both side of the equality, now what we'll do? We have gone for subtracting same number with the both side of the balanced equation. Let's see how it will get in balanced equation. So in case of balanced equation, if we subtract the same number from the both sides, the balance remain undisturbed. That is, the value of the LHS remain equal to the value of RHS. Let's take an example. So here consider an equation x plus 7 equal to 5. So what we'll do? We'll subtract to get the value of x. So if we are getting the value of x, that is the solution. Okay. There is some condition on variable. So we have to get, for getting solution, we have to get the value of variable. So we will do variable lo value bahar karibo. So tapai kon karibo? You have to get value of x. So what we'll do? For getting x, we'll subtract here minus 7. So we shall subtract 7 from both sides of this equation. So new LHS will be x plus 7. LHS re kon thila? X plus 7 minus 7. Put minus 7 equal to x. So plus 7 minus 7 kon hitla? 0. So you will get x. And new RHS. RHS is what? 5. So 5 minus 7. So it is how much? 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Because 7 minus 5 is 2 and minus sign is on the bigger number. So what we got? New LHS equal to new RHS. That is x equal to minus 2. This is the solution of equation. Since this does not disturb the balance, we have new LHS equal to new RHS or x equal to minus 2, which is the solution of equation 3. Now we will prove, okay, is it solution of equation or not? So for this, what we will do? We will put this solution in the equation. A solution ko hame equation put karibo. So if we put x equal to minus 2 in the original equation kon thila? Original equation was x plus 7 equal to 5. So we'll write LHS, what is there? X plus 7 equal to, we'll put the value of x. X is minus 2 plus 7. So what is minus 2 plus 7 is how much? 5. So 5 is what? RHS. So you see here LHS equal to RHS. That's why this is the x minus 2 is the solution of equation. So by putting this solution, we get LHS equal to RHS. So by subtracting 7 on both sides of the equation, we arrive at the solution of equation. So what we have subtracted? 7. Okay. So here we have subtracted in this equation x plus 7 equal to 5. In this equation what we have done? We have subtracted 7 on the both side of equation. So that we get the solution x equal to minus 2. Subtract this side subtract kala pare ame kon paile? X equal to minus 2. And that solution again we have put in original equation. In original equation में देखिला पर हमको कौन मिला? LHS equal to RHS. So by this, by subtraction also we can get the solution of an equation. Similarly, if we multiply or divide both sides of the equality, okay, what we have equality? We have equality that 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. The same equality one we are using. Okay, say same equality use करचु. Okay, don't confuse with that equality because we are using the same equality but we have by the same non-zero number, it still holds, means equality will still remain. Equality semiti hi rahibo. Okay, that does not change. So let's us multiply both side of equality 1 by 3. Okay, equality 1 kon thila? 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. So LHS equal to 8 minus 3. Left side kon 8 minus 3. What do we multiply? By 3 into 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is how much? 5 into 3. What we got? 15. Sorry, 15. Next you see RHS. RHS is what? 4 plus 1. Okay. So, new LHS, new RHS. 4 plus 1 you will keep in bracket because you are multiplying both. So, all this operation. So, 4 plus 1 into 3. So, 4 plus 1 is 5 into 3. How much you are getting? 15. So, don't do like this, like 8 minus 3 into 3. Don't do like this. If you will write without bracket, what you will do? 8 minus 3 3 is 9. Then the value will be minus 1. So, this is wrong. Okay. When you are multiplying an equality, then what you will do? You will multiply with both. Okay. So, you are multiplying with the solution of this. That's why what you will do? You will keep in bracket 8 minus 3. That's why 4 plus 1 will be kept in bracket. The same thing you will apply in division also. Division will be same thing apply karibo. Okay. So, this is. Next you see the equality still holds. Look at here 15. New LHS, new RHS is equal to also 15. So 15 equal to 15 means new LHS equal to new RHS. So the equality holds. Next you see, let us now divide both sides of the equality 1 by 2. So we have equality, the same equality 8 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 1. So LHS is 8 minus 3. So what we'll do? We'll keep in bracket and write divided by, what we are dividing? Dividing the same number by 2. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5 divided by 2. So what you can write? 5 by 2. Next you see, what is there? Write RHS 4 plus 1. Still keep in bracket, then divided by 2. 4 plus 1 is what? 5 divided by 2. That is what? 5 by 2. So look at here. New LHS equal to new RHS. 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. The same thing you got. So again equality holds. Means again you come to equality. So when you are multiplying or when you are dividing the same non-zero number, you always remember non-zero number, not zero. You are not including zero. Okay. So that is non-zero number. तमे zero use करिबोनी, zero को छाड़ी के अब जत्ते के number अच्छे सब use करि परिबो. Okay. So when you multiply or divide that non-zero number, the equality still holds. Means you will get again equality. Okay. So here you got 15. If you are multiplying same, here you got 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Okay. So new LHS equal to new LHS. Here we have used in what? Equality. Now let's see if it is applicable to the balanced equation or not. Okay, let's see. So let's see. In case of balanced equation, if we multiply or divide both sides by the same number, the balance remain undisturbed. Okay, that is value of LHS remain equal to the value of RHS. Okay. So here it is written one equation. Okay. That is equation 4 and this is m by 2 equal to 5. This is equation 5. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll multiply same number and divide with same number. So here you see what it is done. 5y. So let's see. So 5y means 5 into y. Okay, here multiplied means when you divide with the same number this 5, then what you will get? You will get y, value of y. तमे कौन करिवो? एटी 5 multiply हेछि means 5 divide करिवो. So what you will write? We shall divide 5 we shall divide both sides of equation, this is equation 4, by 5. Okay, so let's see. 5y by 5 LHS, new LHS equal to how much? This is 5 cut, what you get? 5. Means 5 divided by 5 equal to how much? 1. What you got? The new RHS, see new RHS equal to, RHS is what? 35. 35 by 5. Next we will see, here equation given m by 2 equal to 5. So how we will find out the solution? What you do? Here 2 is divided by m, so we can multiply 2 on the both side. So by multiplying 2 on the both, you will mention always what you are multiplying or what you are dividing or what you are adding or what you are subtracting before doing those things. Okay, doing those operations. So by both sides of equation 5, what you got? New LHS equal to m by 2 into 2 equal to what? 2 and 2 will cut. What you got? M. Okay. Next, new RHS equal to m by 2 into 2 equal to how much? M. Then new RHS 5 into 2 equal to how much? 10. So what will do? The equality holds means the balance remain undisturbed. Okay, here balance remain undisturbed means m equal to 10. This is the new LHS and RHS. This is also new LHS and RHS y equal to 7. So which is what? These are the solution of equation. Okay, so m equal to 2 is the solution of equation, m by 2 equal to 5, and y equal to 7 is the solution of equation 5 by equal to 35. So let's say check, is it solution of equation or not? So for this what we'll do, let's see. So we'll put this value in the original equation. So putting, what we'll write? Putting y equal to 7 in equation 4. Okay. LHS, always means LHS. LHS is what? 5y equal to 5 into 7 equal to how much? 35 equal to RHS. Look, we got the same equation. Okay, 5y equal to 35. So this proves that y equal to 7 is the solution of equation 5y equal to 35. Okay, next we'll see. This one we'll check. For this, what you will write? Putting. Okay, don't forget to write these things. Putting m equal to 10, this is solution, in equation, what is the equation? 5. Okay, in equation 5, we get LHS equal to, LHS is what? M by 2. Then m is what? 10, put 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is what? 5. 5 is what? RHS of equation. So this proves that this is the solution of equation. So this all above property gives a systematic method of solving an equation. sometimes we have added, sometimes we have subtracted, sometimes we have multiplied, sometimes we have divided. Okay, so we carry out a series of identical mathematical operations on two sides of the equation in such a way that one of the sides we get just a variable and the last step is the solution of the equation. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll do both sides same operation. If we are adding this side, we'll add. If we'll adding left hand side, we'll add on the right hand side. If we are subtracting in left hand side, we will subtract on right hand side. If we are multiplying on left hand side, we will multiply on right hand side. If we are dividing left hand side, we will divide on right hand side. So that we'll get the variable. Okay, we'll get one side only one variable. Like here, what you got? 5y by 35, 5y equal 35, you got only one variable, that is y. Okay, here also m by 2, what you got? One side LHS, one variable, that is m. Okay, so that in the last step, what you are getting? The solution of equation, that is m equal to 10, here y equal to 7. So this is the method, means this is the method of solving equation. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.